right, I'm Greg, one half of RadfordHomes LLC. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, we walking a property, just like we do. I never walk a property by myself because I'm not that smart. I always bring my team. I got Clarence the rehabber, I got my main man Mooney. I never do nothing with my main man Mooney, and I got my homeboy, big broker Jake Remax. We out there, and we finna take one down, baby. Let's go!
I like that.
Are you ready, Jake?
You're the one. You're fired up on camera.
I'm fired up on camera.
Taking pictures of me touching
Hey, look, y'all. I never do anything without these two dudes here, Mooney and Jake. I got black and white. You can make this look beautiful, right, Mooney? Hey, out of everybody, we ain't got no umbrellas. We just thugging it out. Jake said, don't blame me. All right, today we're standing here with my main man Mooney and Clarence the rehabber, and we're checking this out, folks. We're about to take this down, and check it out. I'm Greg, one half of RadfordHomes. It's going down. Right, Mooney? So Mooney, give me a quick rundown. What I need? What you think? No roof? Get definitely gotta have a roof. What you say, Mooney, about the cabinet? What you think? Take them cabinets out of here. All right. Okay. What you think in this room right here? This room is a no-brainer?
Yeah, it is what it is.
Okay. So what would you do with this room? What y'all do with this room?
I can't leave.
Okay.
You got certain people
We'll turn this into
that turn that into a bedroom.
Let's go in there and see.
Turn this into a
Let's go in
bedroom.
there and see.
You got the phone?
So what you think about this? How big was this from Clarence? All right, now tell us.